This is a review for the acrylic little storage piece. The instruction that came with it really has one line. Put the legs or whatever into this holes or space. Through this, it was very easy to figure out. And it has these 8 of these, which I suspect is to hang on the side if you wanted to hang something. Can't think of it being for anything else but that. These are handles. They snap in. And you can see it's 3. I like the fact that it has little holes so dust doesn't accumulate there too well. And I love the wheels because the wheels, you see these things? You can lock the wheels so they don't move. I really like that. Very nice looking, good size. I'm going to use this in my office space to put reminders and bills to be